Okay, this is Liam's first feeding. April 13th, Wednesday.
Yeah.
4 months and 1 week old.
Aww.
And Mommy, what are you feeding him?
He's eating mixed grain cereal.
Oh, that.
And it is going better than Sebastian's first meal of peas.
Yes, this is a better choice.
Although we don't have the matching outfit.
Hey Liam, let's scarf that down.
He looks like he likes it.
He doesn't look too happy. Oh, here it comes back out. You like that? Hey Sebastian, did you like the baby cereal? Did you try it? Oh, okay. Well, looks like he's thinking about it.